What's the meaning of churlish? Churlish. Churlish.
Churlish. Churlish. Churlish is an adjective that describes someone who was rude, impolite, or ill-mannered. It is used to describe behavior that is ungracious or ungenerous, and suggests that the person is being deliberately unpleasant. A churlish person might behave in a way that is insensitive or mean-spirited, often without any apparent reason. This can include refusing to help others, being dismissive of people's feelings, or displaying a lack of gratitude for things that have been done for them. Overall, churlish behavior is considered to be socially unacceptable and can lead to negative consequences in relationships and interactions with others.